Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Smart English. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lena. Today we're going to help you learn how to talk in English, even if you're just starting.
You know, Lena, a lot of learners tell us, I understand English, but I can't speak it.
Yes, that's one of the most common problems. You can read, write, even think in English. But when it's time to speak, your mind just goes blank.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Speaking English confidently is a skill. It's not about talent, it's about practice and mindset.
And the good news? You don't need to be perfect to start speaking. You just need the right approach.
So in this episode, we'll guide you step by step, from building small sentences to holding real conversations in English. We've divided this into 8 simple parts. Each part will help you grow your confidence. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's talk smart in English.
If you're just starting, don't worry too much about grammar or big words. Start small. Start simple. Yes, English isn't about showing off vocabulary. It's about communicating clearly. For example, instead of saying, I would have gone there if I had known, just say, I wanted to go there.
Exactly, you can express yourself with easy words. Let's practice a few. Repeat after me, listeners. I am happy. I like coffee. I live in India. I work in a shop. Good job. Now try saying a few about your own life. For example, I live in Delhi. I am a student. I love music.
Perfect. Remember, your goal is not to sound advanced. Your goal is to be understood. And when you speak out loud, don't whisper. Speak with your full voice. Your mouth and tongue are muscles. They need exercise.
That's such a great point. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. So from today, promise yourself, I will speak English every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Now let's move to something very practical. Common phrases. These are short expressions that native speakers use every day.
Yes, phrases are like magic keys. They unlock real conversations. You don't have to create new sentences all the time. Just learn these and reuse them. Here are some examples. Repeat after us. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
What do you do?
Can you help me?
I don't understand.
Please repeat that.
Where are you from?
Great! You can use these everywhere, at work, school, or when you meet someone new.
Let's try a short dialogue. I'll say something and you respond. Chris, ready?
Let's do it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. See, simple, short, and smooth. If you practice like this daily, your confidence will grow fast. And don't worry about your accent or small grammar slips. The key is keep speaking. Fluency comes from repetition.
Let's talk about how to practice English in your daily life, even if you have no one to talk to.
That's a big one. People often say, I don't have a partner to practice with. But you can practice with yourself.
Exactly. Talk about your daily routine. Describe what you're doing. It's called self-talk practice. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I cook dinner. And when you're doing something, describe it out loud.
I'm making tea. I'm cleaning my room. I'm checking my phone. It may sound strange, but this method works. You're thinking and speaking in English at the same time.
Here's another tip. Record your voice while speaking and listen back. You'll notice your pronunciation, your pauses, and your progress.
Yes, and if you want to challenge yourself, try making a short vlog, even a 1-minute English video talking about your day. It's not about posting online, it's about building confidence. When you hear yourself speaking, you'll realize, hey, I actually sound good.
Now, let's talk about something that stops many learners. The fear of mistakes.
Oh, yes. People say, I'm scared I'll say something wrong. But guess what? Everyone does, even native speakers. The difference is they don't stop talking.
Exactly. Mistakes are not failures. They are signs that you're learning.
Let's think about a baby learning to walk. They fall many times, but they keep trying. That's how we all learn to speak, too. So if you say, he go to school, instead of he goes to school, it's okay. You'll correct it naturally with time. The most important thing is, people understand you. That's communication. So promise yourself today, I will not fear mistakes. Because mistakes are your teachers.
Let's move on to vocabulary, one of the biggest parts of speaking. Yes, but don't try to memorize 100 words in a day. It doesn't work. Learn 5 or 10 and use them. Let's practice with a few examples. New word, beautiful.
This flower is beautiful. My city is beautiful.
Another one, tired.
I'm tired today. My friend looks tired.
One more, excited.
I'm excited for the weekend. My sister is excited to travel.
See? That's how vocabulary becomes part of your memory, by using it in real sentences.
You can also keep a word journal. Write down new words you hear in movies, songs, or podcasts.
And don't forget, listen for how those words are used in real conversations. Context is everything. Listening is one of the most powerful tools for improving your speaking.
Yes, the more you listen, the more your brain picks up the natural rhythm of English.
Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or even your favorite songs.
And don't just listen, imitate. Copy the way speakers move their mouth, the tone, and rhythm.
It's like singing along to a song. You start matching the flow.
Soon you'll notice that your pronunciation improves automatically.
Try this. Pause a video after each line and repeat it aloud. It's a fun and effective exercise. Alright, before we wrap up, let's talk about daily practice.
Even 10 minutes of speaking every day is enough to make progress, if you're consistent.
Yes, speak in English while cooking, walking, or texting friends. Change your phone language to English.
You can even think in English. When something happens, ask yourself in English, what am I doing? Or how do I feel?
Every small effort adds up. In a few weeks, you'll see a big difference in your confidence.
And remember, celebrate small wins. If you spoke one new sentence today, that's progress.
If you learned one new word, celebrate that too.
Alright friends, that's all for today's episode. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Talk Smart English, and share it with a friend who's learning too.
And in our next episode, we'll teach you how to start a real English conversation with anyone, anytime, anywhere. Thanks for listening, and remember to talk smart, speak confident.